In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter opening balances on Xero. Mastering this aspect of Xero is fundamental if you're setting up your accounts for the first time or transitioning from another accounting software. Let's walk through the process together in a way that's detailed yet easy for you to follow. After successfully logging into your account, it's time to navigate to the heart of today's task. Start by heading to the Accounting menu. This section is accessible directly from the dashboard and is likely where you'll spend a lot of your time within Xero. Your next stop within this menu is the Advanced section. This is where Xero houses the more intricate settings and options, allowing for deeper customization and setup, including the feature we're focusing on today. In the Advanced section, you're looking for the option titled Conversion Balances. This is where you can input or edit your opening balances. Think of this area as the foundational layer on which your accounts will be built in Xero. Clicking on Conversion Balances will take you precisely where you need to be. Next, you'll need to select your conversion date. This is a critical step because it marks the point in time from which your financials in Xero will begin. Click on the Conversion Date field to bring up a calendar view, allowing you to navigate to and select the appropriate date. This should ideally align with the end of your last financial period or the beginning of your new financial year. Once you've chosen the correct date, make sure to save your selection. This action solidifies your starting point within Xero, ensuring that all subsequent financial data aligns with your accounting timeline. But choosing the date is just a part of the process. Remember to also click Save again after adjusting your conversion balances. It's a small but essential step to ensure all your entries are correctly recorded and stored within the system. It's worth noting that getting these details right from the get-go can save you a considerable amount of time and effort down the line. Xero's functionality around opening balances is designed to be user-friendly, but accuracy here is key. Double-check your figures and dates before finalizing them. Also, it's helpful to have all your financial information on hand before starting this process, including the balances of all your accounts as of your conversion date. This might include checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and equity accounts, to name a few. Each of these will need to be entered into Xero to ensure your accounts accurately reflect your business's financial standing. In closing, the process of setting up your opening balances on Xero involves a few precise steps: logging in, navigating the accounting and advanced settings, selecting and saving your conversion date, and notably ensuring all your balances are correctly entered and saved. This not only sets the stage for your financial tracking, but also optimizes the functionality of Xero to suit your business needs. Remember, thoroughness at this stage lays the groundwork for accurate bookkeeping and financial reporting moving forward. Don't rush through these steps. Be deliberate and precise in your entries, and you'll find that Xero becomes an invaluable tool for managing your business finances. That wraps up today's guide on how to enter your opening balances in Xero. By following these steps, you're well on your way to a streamlined and accurate accounting setup. Stick around for more tips and tutorials to help you get the most out of your Xero experience.